Welcome. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you and talking about pixel creation and installation on your WordPress website. Now, what is pixel? Pixel is a piece of code that you install on your website to help you to track the performance, the activities that people are taking on your website, the number of purchases, the add to cart, the page view, every single activity that is taken on your website, you make use of the pixel to track it. And it is always good to track activities on your website such that if you want to do a retargeting ad, you will be able to retarget people that did not take that particular action. If, for instance, you want them to take a buying decision, you want them to make a purchase, but they did not purchase that particular time, you can actually retarget them since you already have their data. So the pixel help you in getting and storing the data of people's activities on your website. So I'm going to be showing you a simple way you can create a pixel from your ads manager and install on your WordPress website. Now let's go. So what you need to do is to come here. You come to Event Manager, click on Event Manager. Click on Event Manager. It's still loading. Let's just give it some time to load. Okay, so it's already here. Now, these are pixels that I've installed on my website already. You can see the event. This is 160. This is 1.4K total event. Okay, but we are going to create a new pixel. So you can click on this connect data. Okay, you click on web. Next, then you click on, if you have an existing pixel that you want to use, you can use it, but we want to create a new data set. Now take note, pixel is also known as data set. So if you are hearing the word data set pixel, they mean the same thing. In fact, presently, we do not use the word pixel again. We use data set. So you are going to name your data set or your pixel. Let's say tutorial pixel or tutorial data set. Okay. All right. So now the next thing is just to come here and you click on create. You click on create. We are using this particular ad account, health remedies. Are you seeing it? So you just click on next. Okay. So the next thing is to click on next here. All right. So now let's go back to data set to see the pixel that we have created. Let's go back to data set. Let's scroll down. Can you see tutorial data set? So you click on it. You can see tutorial data set has been created. Your data set hasn't received any activity. Okay. So this is the one that we have created. This is the one that we have created. So this is the pixel ID. Now, if you want to, let's now connect it to our WordPress website. Now, to do that, you come down, you go to Setup Meta Pixel, not Setup Conversion API, but Setup Meta Pixel. So you click on it. Install code manually. We are using the manual approach. So you click on it. Okay, so this is the code. All you just need to do is to copy the code. Now we have copied the code. Then you come, now go to your WordPress dashboard. Now this is my WordPress dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard. And you know we have copied the code. So now the next thing we are to do is this. The first thing is to install the HFCM plugin. There is a plugin that we are going to use. We are using the HFCM plugin. So what you need to do is to come here, click on plugin, and click on add new plugin. This is my WordPress dashboard. Then you type HFCM. HFCM. Okay. So now look at it. This is the plugin that we want to. Mine is already active, so I don't need to install it again. Okay. But for somebody like you that wants to install your code on your WordPress website, there is a place where you need to activate. Here will be showing install. So you have to install it and activate it. Okay. So after that, you will now come to, you leave there. Let's leave the place. Then you come to HFCM. You will see this HFCM. Then go to add new stipends. Okay. So now, okay, let me take it again. This is HFCM. Then click on add new. Can you see it? So here it's saying add new snippets. So what you need to do is you write the name of the snippets that you want to use. Let's say, let me just use tutorials. You can give it any name. Tutorial 1. Okay. The snippet type is HTML. And then let's scroll down. Now the location, ensure that the location is in the header. Just leave everything the way it is here. Okay. And then you will come down, snippet code. That code that we copied. You remember we copied the code at the event manager. Can you remember we came here, we copied the code here. So it is that code that you are coming here. You click on it and then you paste it. Can you see it? You can see so easy, so easy, so easy. And at the end of it, you click on save. Can you see it? So now your snippet has already been saved. It has already been saved. Can you see it? Script added successfully. So we have already saved it. So you have installed it in the header section of your WordPress website. So now what you need to do next is to go back to Event Manager and continue with what you were doing. We have copied the code. You come down and click on continue. Turn on automatic. Just turn everything on here and click on done. Are you seeing it? So it's actually very easy. So when you are running ads and you have your pixel installed, you know, for a traffic, for what's it called, your sales campaign or your lead campaign, you are very sure of getting of being able to track the activities on your website. Okay, so this is going to take some time before it will be complete. Okay, so this is how you set it up. Now the next thing is to test your event to see if actually the pixel is properly installed. So you come here, you click on test event. Confirm your website events are set up correctly. Okay, so now let's just so the URL of your website is what you are going to paste here. The URL of your website is what you are going to paste there. Let me try to get the URL of my website. I'm coming. This is all pages. Okay, let me just sorry, let me preview this. Okay, this is one of my, this is a website that I want to use. So let's just copy the URL. This is, yeah, we have copied it now. So now, in fact, it has already even started processing it. You can see it has already processed it already. You can see there's already an activity that has been processed. But we can also clear this activity. Let's clear it. Let's clear it and also come and test it. Let's clear it and test. Confirm the URL is well tested. So now let's just paste it here. Can you see it? Now test event. You know, we cleared it again. So this is the site that has opened, right? This is the landing a sales page for a particular product. Okay, now let's go back to event manager. Can you see it? We cleared this event just now and look at it. Page view, custom event processed. Okay, so this is a simple way you can set up your pixel and connect it to your WordPress website. Now, what about, this is only for page view. Now, if you want to track activities like purchases, like the number of people that have purchased your product, what you need to do is to just come here. You click on settings. Okay. You click on settings, scroll down. Scroll down. All right. Just scroll down to setup event. It should be setup event. I'm coming. Open event setup. Can you see it? Open event setup. So you click on it. Okay. So now we want to track the number of purchases, right? With that particular data set. So what you need to do is, it is your thank you page link. You know, your thank you page. You know, when somebody purchases a particular product, that person, after making payments, it will be taken to another page, which is your thank you page, where you thank the person. Oh, thank you for making this particular purchase. We appreciate you and all that. So that's the thank you page that we are talking about. Okay. Now, let's say this is a thank you page. What you just need to do is you take the link, you copy the link and go back to your event manager and paste it there. You paste it. Okay. Then add event. We want to add this event now. We want to add this event. Okay. Your pixel wasn't detected on this website. Check that the URL you entered is correct, or use test event to make sure it is done. Okay. The reason why it's giving all this is because it's still new. It's still new, but it's going to work out. It's going to work out. Now let's try it again. Let's try it again. Can you see it? It has shown now, right? Now, this is a thank you page that we are using. So what are we tracking? Like when somebody comes to this page, what do we want to count it as? Okay. Are we tracking button or URL? We are tracking URL. We are not tracking button. So when anybody comes using the URL to this particular page, you understand? What are we tracking? What event? So you select the event. We want to track purchase. Okay. So that is what we are trying to do. Now the currency is in Naira. Value, just leave it the way it is. Use value from initial checkout. Choose a value. Don't add value. So when anybody comes to this particular page, we'll count it as purchase. So you click on confirm. So purchase has been created. This particular event has been created. Okay. So that is, and finish setup. You click on yes. Was the event setup helpful? Yes. Tell us what you found helpful. You can skip this. So this is how exactly. Now let's go back to the event manager. Let's go back to the event manager. Okay, we're already there. Now let's test event for purchase. You see, page view has been processed, right? So now let's test event for purchase. Okay. Now let's just clear these activities. Let's clear these activities. Clear activities. Okay. Now confirm that your website event are set up correctly. You click on this. We want to test the event now. So this is the thank you page. It has already shown here. This is our thank you page. I wanted to go and bring it. So let's test this event. If it's going to track purchase, can you see this is the thank you page, right? This is the thank you page. It has shown now. Now let's go back to our event. Can you see it? Both page view and purchase has been tracked. Do you get it? So now when you go back to your ads manager, this is our event manager. So when you go back to campaign and you go to set up a campaign, let's go back. I don't want this video to be too long. You understand? Let's just say, okay, we are using this particular campaign. Let's say we're using this particular campaign. And then there is always a conversion destination. So, and it's always at the ad set level, right? So this is our website. We are using website. And the data set that we are now going to use is that new one which we have created. Can you see it? This is the one that we want to use now. Then it said a conversion event is required. So the conversion event that we are going to use is going to be purchase. Can you see it? So no event has been done yet. You know, we have not run ads with this particular data set. That is why. Data set that you have selected doesn't have any conversion event set up yet. Okay, so that is the reason why it is this. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you need more tutorials or you need more information about Facebook and Instagram ads, do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I see you in my next video. Bye-bye.